Diabetes foods to eat: low carb and low sugar. Type 2. Type 1 diabetes. 1. Introduction. Brief overview of diabetes, its types, and the importance of diet in managing the condition. 2. Understanding diabetes. Explanation of type 1 and type 2 diabetes, their differences, and how they affect the body's ability to process sugar. 3. Role of diet in diabetes. Discussion on how a balanced diet can help manage blood sugar levels and weight, reducing the risk for complications. 4. Low-carb foods. Listing of low-carb foods that are beneficial for people with diabetes, such as vegetables, whole grains, and protein-rich foods. 5. Low-sugar foods. Introduction to low-sugar foods that can be included in a diabetic diet, like fruits, nuts, and seeds. 6. Foods to avoid. Highlighting foods that should be limited, such as high-fat meats, full-fat dairy, sweets, and sugar-sweetened beverages. 7. Importance of fiber. Explanation of how high-fiber foods can enhance blood sugar management. 8. Heart-healthy fats. Discussion on the benefits of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids for heart health. 9. Meal planning. Tips for creating a sustainable and easy-to-follow meal plan. 10. Blood sugar monitoring. Importance of regular blood sugar monitoring and understanding the recommended blood sugar ranges. 11. Consulting healthcare professionals. Emphasizing the need to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. 12. Conclusion. Summarizing the importance of a low-carb, low-sugar diet in managing both type 1 and type 2 diabetes.